Hello all, I'm Divya and my today's topic is blood grouping. So, blood is made up of WBC, RBC, platelets and plasma. So, RBC play a very important role in deciding the blood groups. It is mainly because the antigen and antibody present in the uh, body bind to that RBC. So our blood is made up of all these four components, and our blood is identified by antigen and antibody in the blood. So antibodies are the protein that found in the plasma. They are the part of our natural defense, and they recognize foreign substances such as germs and alert our immune system, which destroy them. And antigen is a protein molecule that found on the surface of RBCs. So blood grouping is something that we need to know. So all blood is same thing. Blood is blood, but not all blood is same. To justify this sentence, I will talk further. So blood types are classified blood. So healthcare provider can determine whether one person's blood is compatible with another person's blood for blood transfusion, or also for organ donation. So blood type include, there are two types of blood systems, ABO and RH. So what is blood types? So blood type is a classification system that allow healthcare provider to determine whether the blood is compatible or incompatible with someone else's blood. So there are four main blood types: A, AB, B and O. So it depends upon the antigen present on the surface of RBCs. So they are also have a proteins called as RHD protein. So it also depends upon the presence of RHD protein. It classifies positive and negative blood. So these two system, like ABO system and RHD system, makes 8 blood types. So there are AB positive, AB negative, A positive, A negative, B positive, B negative, O positive and O negative. So knowing about the blood types provides healthcare professional to safely transfuse the blood from one person to the another person. So blood type need to be compatible with another person's. So how blood type get determined? So about blood type, antigen is a substance that is present on the membrane of RBC cell. So this indicate the presence of that blood type. So most of the people think AB and O as a blood type, but these letters are classified because of the presence of antigen that is present on the RBCs. So A blood type have antigen A, B have antigen B, AB have antigen both A and B, and type O, they don't have antigen A and neither B. So depending upon RH factor, if someone have RH factor D antigen, then it is RH positive, and if RHD positive, and if they don't have that antigen, then it is RHD negative. So there are different types of blood groups that I have already mentioned, AB positive, AB negative and all. So so the one that is called as universal acceptor or universal receptor is blood group AB positive, and the one who is universal donor is blood group O negative. So this is about blood groups. So there are some rare blood groups present. So outside ABO system and RHD system, there are over 600 antigen present in the blood, and they may attach to the red blood cells. So there are more than 30 different types of blood group system that related to these unique antigens. So the rare one red blood group types are Duffy blood group, then K antigen blood group, and then Lutheran blood group, and then kids blood group. So its possibility is that 1 out of 1,000 people have this type of blood group, or even fewer. So the world's rarest blood group, which is also called as golden blood, is Rh null blood group. So fewer than 50 people in the world have that blood group. So how blood types are inherited? Like how we inherited our eye color from our parents, the same we have blood type that we inherited from our parents. But it is not always same that if our parents have A positive, then we will also have A positive. No, it is not possible. It is possible, but it is not always happen, because of blood have that property of making different types of combination. Blood groups have combination, therefore even if our parents are AB positive, we can also have a B positive blood group. So which blood types are compatible with each other? So it is important to know the compatibility of this blood group, because blood group, even in a blood donation, organ donation. So A positive can receive a blood from A positive, A negative, O positive, and O negative. Then A negative blood group can receive a blood from A negative or O negative. And then B positive receive a blood from B positive, B negative, O positive, and O negative. B negative can only receive a blood from B negative and O negative. Then comes the A positive. It is a universal receptor. It can receive blood from any time. So you can receive any type of blood for AB positive. And AB negative, you can receive blood that is AB negative, A negative, B negative, and O negative. O positive can receive a blood from O positive or O negative, and O negative is a universal donor, but it can receive blood only from O negative only. So it is rarest blood group. So this is all about universal donor and universal receptor. So how to find our blood group? One can do a slide test for blood group recognition, and then also there is a test tube test, and blood group testing kits are also present in the market to determine the blood group. So there is one more thing, how blood group affect the pregnancy. So if fetus have a inherited Rh factor, either positive or negative, from either of the parent, there may be a problem if mom or mother of that baby is Rh negative. So fetus carrying with the blood that have Rh positive, then it can cause a problem, because the antibodies from the mother can affect or can harm the baby's blood. So it is very important to test the blood during this pregnancy and screen the antibodies. So if blood react with Rh positive red blood cells, then anti-Rh antibodies can begin to attack this fetus red blood cell. So it is really dangerous. So to prevent this from happening, the mother have to receive Rh immunoglobulin, that is RHIG. It is a medicine that block the antibodies from attacking the fetus blood. So this is all about blood grouping. Thank you.